Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to tell you guys how to reverse order on the Capitec app. So what you need to do is at first head over to the application and then click on the middle option, which is the transact. From there, what you need to do is go to your history, and from there select all of the debit orders that you have. Select the one that you want to reverse money. Click on that option, and from there you want to click on that option called dispute, and it's going to ask you why do you want to dispute it. So after you put in the details and you submit the form, they're going to take some time to process, and if they approve it, your money will be reversed. And another way to do it is contacting the customer support by directly calling them, or maybe submitting a form through the internet. You could also directly head over to their bank. And this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.